Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the Q&A session 12 from the playlist of assertion and reasoning. The topic is the electrical field inside a conductor. So, based on this topic, I have framed one question for this session, which is written here on this board. And this question has got two statements. One is the assertion, which is depicted here as A, and the other one is the reasoning, which is depicted here as R. And based on these two statements, we have been given here four options and we have to find the correct option. So assertion here is the net electrical field inside a conductor which is placed in an external electric field becomes zero after a small instant of time. And the reasoning is it is not possible to set up an electric field inside a conductor. Now, reasoning is a statement which supports the assertion. So, here in the assertion, it is written that the net electrical field inside a conductor placed in an external electric field becomes zero after a certain instant of time. This statement is correct because when an conductor is placed in an external electric field, then an electrical field is induced inside the conductor which cancels out the external electric field. So after a small instant of time, the net electrical field inside the conductor becomes equal to zero. Now the reasoning is it is not possible to set up an electric field inside a conductor. So this is wrong because an electrical field is generated inside a conductor when a current flows through the conductor. So the reasoning is incorrect and the assertion is correct. So based on these two statements, we can say that the correct option here is, since assertion is correct and the reasoning is false, so the correct option here is B. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session, I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the same chapter of electric charges and fields. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.